Do you ever get recognised by people over the age of 20? When you were a child, what did you want to be when you grew up?
Footballer. Yeah. What did you want to be?
Football's really hard.
Is it?
Well, yeah, you would know you're not one right now.
Exactly. That's what yeah. Yeah, I've done it.
I like your shades.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you take them off, because I said I like them.
Can I eat?
Oh, sorry, you can eat, yeah.
Thanks. Yeah, you get to.
Would you want to be my boyfriend? Do you want to cheers?
Cheers to being good friends. What are you doing?
I don't want to cheers.
Why?
My hand hurts, I can't cheers. Cheers to being in love.
What are you doing?
How do you kiss people in the mask? Is that possible?
I don't understand because I've never done that.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, why? Are you interested?
Interesting. No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I didn't kiss you anyway.
What?
Huh? How can you not like prawns?
I just don't like seafood.
You don't like seafood? Funny coming from a fish.
What are you doing? Oh, cool. Clever, that's really clever. What was your favourite thing about this date, would you say?
You're a cute top.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. Look, I made you smile.
Yeah. You're smiling too. Okay.
Shut up.
What's your type, would you say?
Yeah, with big bundles.
What?
I like girls with a nice personality.
Okay.
All about the vibes. And the bunda.
And the bumba.
What's that?
The bumba?
Isn't that the brother from Lion King?
What's a bumba?
A what?
A pumba?
A pumba.
Chunks are talking about it.
Oh, a bunda.
See?
You said chunks. I heard B. I knew it was bunda. Yeah, bunda.
You don't know what a bunda is?
Personality as well.
Yeah, perfect. There you go. It means bum.
Bum.
Yeah.
Okay, they have to have a bum.
So you can like popping on the mains, no backs, but it's calm, you know what I mean? They got good hearts.
Do you have a good bum?
Me? That's weird now. Now it's getting a bit techie.
Well, you want a good bum with a girl, but do you even have a good bum yourself?
It's different. Why does the man then need backs?
I think they do as well. If you're gonna say.
What, is that your thing? You like dons with bums?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're different. You're weird as.
I'm weird.
Yeah,
You
100.
literally just said the same thing as I have.
I want to do my own one.
Oh yeah, this one.
These keys are too small, I can't do this.
Maybe your fingers are too fat.
Maybe you're too fat.
Go right, Dave. Thought you were a pianist.
Yeah, I'm done, I can't do this.
That's a nice sausage. It's very big.
Well, you like small sausages or big ones?
I quite like a cocktail sausage, to be honest. Body.
Oddy.
Oddy. Body. Body.
Body, oddy.
Oddy, oddy.
Body, oddy.
Oddy, oddy, oddy.
Yeah.
Body, oddy,
Body,
oddy,
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 oddy.
oddy, 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 oddy.
Do you kiss on the first date?
Yeah.
Yes. Every time?
Not every time, if I'm feeling it. If your lips look nice.
Okay.
You
Yeah.
look nice.
I just had a chip on my lip.
I thought you meant